Baruch Hashem, we are strong, and Baruch Hashem, even in these tragedies, there are silver linings. And I just want to share with you that I spoke to a woman who wanted to do something for the army, and she spoke to the organizations, and she said, what can we send the Chayolim? Should we send them clothing, or medicine, or books, or food, whatever? And she was told that the biggest thing, the biggest demand of the Chayolim is they want tzitzit. And this is not only coming from religious. The religious soldiers already have tzitzit. This is coming from non-religious chayolim. And tens of thousands, people who may not even be keeping Shabbos yet, want to wear the tzitzit. They want to have this tangible connection to God. And we know that, of course, Israeli society is very, very highly polarized. And before this war, there was so much dissension about so many issues that I think we've seen now are relatively unimportant in perspective. And as is often the case, very sadly, it is through the crucible of tragedies and difficulties that we discover that there's much more that unites us than separates us. And if this can be a catalyst for Avat Yisrael, for Achdus, for unity, for togetherness, then that would be a tremendous bracha. God willing, we should have peace very, very, very soon. But the one thing, the one nightmare that I have about the peace is that maybe we'll forget a lot of the togetherness and solidarity that we formed during the war. So my prayer is that although the negative effects of the war should vanish, and our soldiers and our captives should return to their homes in the fullness of body and spirit, and the Jewish people should not suffer in any way. But the one part of the war that I want to continue is the sense of unity, the sense of togetherness, the sense that we're all in this together. That right now is a very, very strong feeling among the Jewish people. I hope and I pray that it will continue and that it will endure.